Hazrat Abu Usman radiyallahu anhu has reported from Hazrat Usama radiyallahu anhu that one of the daughters of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam sent for him because her son was breathing his last, and at that time Hazrat Usama bin Zaid, Hazrat Saad bin Ubada, and Hazrat Ubay bin Ka'b radiyallahu anhu were in his company. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam sent her message to convey her salutation and say, undoubtedly whatever He Jalla Jalaluhu bestows and whatever He Jalla Jalaluhu withdraws is Allah's property, and there is a calculated term for everything with Him, so you should be patient and anticipate for reward. The daughter, again adoring him by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, sent for him. So he sallallahu alaihi wasallam got up, and we as well got up with him. When he sallallahu alaihi wasallam sat there, the baby was nestled in his lap, while the baby was extremely short of breath. So the eyes of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam overflowed with tears. Hazrat Saad radiyallahu anhu thereupon submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, what is this? He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, it is a compassion which Allah Jalla Jalaluhu inspires in the hearts of His bondsmen. He Jalla Jalaluhu pleases, and verily Allah Jalla Jalaluhu shows affection only to His compassionate bondsmen. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 6655.